Hello everybody, welcome back to Philocaly. Let's see how to make delicious Matar Paneer in today's video. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing and follow us on our social media handles for more updates. Now, let's quickly take a look at the ingredients required. Now, over to the recipe. In a pan, add in oil and whole garam masala, that is cinnamon, cloves and ilachi, followed by cumin seeds and then add in the chopped onion and saute well. Adding in a pinch of salt and sauteing the onions until they turn transparent. Now adding in the chopped tomatoes. These could be roughly chopped. Cook the tomatoes until they turn mushy. Now add in about 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute well. It should be cooked until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste is gone. Now once the tomatoes have turned mushy, turn off the stove and cool the mixture completely and blend it to a smooth paste in a mixer jar. Water can be added to blend it into a paste if required. In the same kadai, add in butter or ghee can be used instead and add in the ground tomato and onion paste. Rinse the blender and add the water to the mixture. Mix and allow to cook well. Now it is time to add in the masalas. For this, we would be adding in about 1 tablespoon of chili powder. So I am using half a tablespoon of normal chili powder and half a tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder for the color, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. I have roasted the cumin and made it into a fine powder. So now adding in the masalas, the Kashmiri red chili powder, the normal red chili powder, coriander powder and the cumin powder. This can be adjusted according to taste actually. Now give it a good mix, add in the required salt and let it cook. Add in the cooked peas and let the gravy cook for about 5 minutes. The next step is to add the cubed paneer and mix well until well combined. While adding the paneer and the peas, I have lowered the flame to sim so that the masala doesn't get burned. As I'm packing this for lunchbox, I had everything prepped and stored in the refrigerator. The peas were peeled and boiled, the paneer were cubed, and so on. So putting it together didn't take much time in the morning. Now adding in about half a cup of water and adjusting the seasoning according to taste. Close and cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. In the meantime, I'm kneading the dough for the rotis and keeping it aside. Now after about 10 minutes, open the lid and add in some crushed kasuri methi leaves for flavor and mix well. For the final step, I'm garnishing it with coriander leaves and turning off the stove. Yummy Matar Paneer is ready to be served. This is an excellent gravy for roti, pulao, and can be packed for lunchbox as well. It takes only about 15 to 20 minutes to get everything going in the morning. Now making the rotis and adding it to a pan. Adding in enough oil as I'm packing it for lunch. Ghee can be used instead of oil as well. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found the video useful. Do give it a try and let me know in the comment section below as to how it turned out for you. Like, share and consider subscribing to our channel. Until next time, bye bye.